Okay, let's start off. The total surface area of a solid cylinder, okay, is basically a cylinder it consists of both sides with the radius, the both side cross-section area. You have to find the area. The area of one side of the cross-section area is pi r square. Pi r square if the radius is equal to r. Okay, now you have both sides, so you times 2. Now, what about the curved surface area? The curved surface area, if you cut open this, you cut a line along here and you open up the cylinder, assuming the cylinder is a wall cylinder, that means there is a certain thickness. Okay? After that, inside is empty. So when you open it up, this one, if you open it up, it's actually become a rectangular piece. I have not talked about this. Actually is plus. If you talk about net, okay, if let's say I open up with the both side here, both end is this and this, but this curved surface open up actually is a rectangle. Now, length is given as 5. The height basically is also the length. So this 5. Now, both ends will be the area will be pi r square. Pi r square. Now, what about this length? Actually, this length is same as the circumference of this round area, this round shape. So what is this circumference here? Actually is 2 pi r. Okay. Now, so to find the area of the rectangle is basically taking the length, which is 5, times this width here, which is 2 pi r. Then you give 2 pi r square plus 10 pi r. That's how we obtain this equation. Okay. Now let's proceed from here. We want to find the rate of increase of A. So we want to find dA dt. The rate we always refer to the variable. Time is the variable. When r is equal to 6, we want to find this value. Okay. Now, given that the rate of increase of the radius is this one basically is referring to dr dt. Okay, and it's equal to 0.2 over pi. Is it a positive or negative? Look carefully at this. This is increasing, so it's a positive value. So let's form the equation d r dt. Okay, dr dt. Now, what should you multiply here in order to obtain the dA dt on the left hand side? Basically, you have to multiply by dA dr. Why? You see, if I cancel out the dr, I will end up with dA over dt. It's same exactly on the left hand side. Okay, the same as that. So now, what you want to find out is this. This is given. This one yet to be found. Now, therefore, you look at the equation or the relationship or the function between A and R. Basically, is this. Okay, A and R square. So what if you want to find the ADR, you just differentiate this. Okay, now let's get A over here, 2 pi r square plus n pi r. If we differentiate the ADR, we end up with 4 pi r plus 10 pi. Okay, we end up with 10 pi. This becomes 4 pi r now. So so now we can find, by the way, r is a variable, but in this case you say r equal to 6. Find the dA dt when r equals 6. So what you have to do is, when r equal to 6, dA dr become 4 pi of r is 6 plus 10 pi. So it's oddly is 24 pi plus 10 pi. They give you 34 pi. Now let's come back over here. So dr dt, just substitute this 0.2 over pi and dA dr from here, which is 34 pi. You cancel off the pi, you end up with 0.68. Now, what's the unit area? Is cm square. The rate is t. Okay, you can look at this is per second. Okay, so this will be per second. This will be the answer. Okay.